Now, I think first timer, warm welcome for Chris Vaughn.
How's everybody doing tonight? Is it just me who thinks it's annoying to hear people say God bless you when you sneeze? First of all, I think not everybody believes in God. For a guy like me, you better say Buddha bless you. And second, even if there is God, God is too busy. China is exploding, Ukraine is in war, Greece is bankrupt, America's got Donald Trump. And now you sneeze, and that's a major problem. We gotta have God over and take a look at it. And third, people just don't get the fact that when you sneeze, you get like 1/10 of the pleasure from a sexual orgasm. So I don't need God to bless me when I sneeze. I do it on purpose. If I sneeze 10 times, I get a sexual orgasm. And now you just say, God bless you. You just ruined my image. I really couldn't reach climax when I know God is watching me. A lot of you guys think that Asian chicks are easy. I think this is bullshit. Because every time when I go to them, their attitudes are like, let me tell you a little story about my pussy. Never mind, you will not get it. So I think it's mainly a language problem. It's communication barrier over there. I have a friend who is from Asia and she doesn't speak English very well, and so she was moving and giving away stuff. She had a post on Craigslist saying, giving away one night stand for free. And then the second day, she was complaining to me, look at these jerks. They kept sending me the pictures of their dicks. These son of bitches must be sick. I was just trying to be nice to give away my one night stand. I was like, yeah, they must be sick, but that one night stand sounds appealing. And another time we were talking to an American guy about swimming, and the American guy asked her what's her favorite style of swimming, and she said, doggy style. I really like doggy style. It's so easy and so comfortable. We should totally do it together one time. And I was like, I'm not sure if that dude knows doggy paddle, but I know he must like to have a doggy style with you. Thank you very much.